Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Salesforce Lightning detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Salesforce Lightning account. Navigate to the setup menu by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. In the quick find box, type App Manager and select it. In the App Manager, locate the specific app you want to configure. Click the drop-down arrow next to the app name and choose Edit. In the app settings, you can modify the app name, description, and logo. To change the navigation items, scroll down to the Navigation Items section. Click on Add to include additional items or drag existing items to reorder them. Once satisfied with the navigation layout, click Save to apply the changes. Next, return to the Setup menu and type Object Manager in the Quick Find box. Select the object you wish to configure, like account or contact. In the object settings, you can customize fields, page layouts, and record types. To add a new field, click on Fields and Relationships, then New. Choose the type of field you want to create and click Next. Fill in the details for the new field, then click Next and set field level security. After setting field permissions, click Next again and then Save to finish. Next, adjust your page layout by clicking on Page Layouts in the left menu. Select the layout you wish to modify and click on Edit. You can drag and drop fields and sections according to your preference. When done, click Save to save your changes to the layout. To configure automation, return to the Object Manager and select Flows. Click New Flow and choose between Record-Triggered Flow or other options. Design the flow by dragging and connecting elements as needed. Once your flow is designed, click Save and activate it to make it operational. Finally, test your configuration by returning to the app and navigating through it. Ensure all changes appear as intended and that functionality is seamless. Continue to tweak settings as necessary for optimization. With these steps, you can effectively configure Salesforce Lightning to meet your organization's needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.